so the clips that you've just seen is just some training clips. I just wanted to basically put something out there to try and start this YouTube channel. So I'm just going to talk a little bit about myself. So my name's Kieran Scott. I'm a fitness and business owner, okay, and I live in the southwest of England. This channel is predominantly going to be fitness based. That's what I'm passionate about. That's what I love, and that's what I like to do on a day-to-day basis. So I get body transformations. That's kind of like my job and what I'm really passionate about, helping people get into fitness. So I just want to just put out some free content there for you guys. Just hopefully you can learn it, hopefully it can transform your life, and just eliminate a load of the bullshit. And also I just want to document my life and just see where this ends up. And I just want to show that basically what I get up to with my life. And then there's something that I can watch back in years to come and actually go, wow, I was kind of proud of that. So that's just kind of how the channel is. That's how I'm going to start it. It's just a fitness based channel. I just want to create some good quality content for you guys and just eliminate some of the bullshit. So let's see where this ball rolls.